Good morning, everybody! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Welcome to the Summer Shed School. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Tuesday, the 18th of August. Goodness me, where has this year gone? It feels like only yesterday I was sat in a very smelly shed doing the first ever lesson back in March. Who'd have thought? March, we've been going for ages now. Good morning, welcome to the Summer Shed School. My name is Mr. Bates. I've got a bit of coffee. Have you got a little drink at home? You got a little cup of tea or a little bit of water? I hope you've got something to keep yourself hydrated because we're going to do an hour of learning. Oh yeah, we got some lovely, awesome sauce lessons to do over the next hour. Let's see who we've got in the shed this morning. Good morning to 007 Joe Curtis. Good morning, Joe. Hope you're doing okay, buddy. Good morning to Sophia. Good morning. Good morning to Michael, Zach, and Theo. Good morning to Arthur. Ready to learn. As ever, Arthur, well done. Good morning to Sophia in Spain as well. Good morning. And who else have I missed off? I've missed quite a few. Good morning to Cameron and Elliot from Weston-super-Mare. I do like Weston-super-Mare. It's lovely. I like the beach there. Very nice, very nice. Breen Sands. Not far from here. We used to live there. Chloe K. Good morning, Chloe. Good morning. Hope you're doing all right. And Isla's here as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And Oliver is here. Looking forward to some maths and some English too. So am I. So am I. Oh, right. What a packed day we've got. I'm doing the lesson. Then I've got to go to school. What? I know I've got to pop into school today. That's going to be crazy. I haven't been to school in ages. I'm going to pop in and see my classroom. Check it's still there. Hope it is still there. Morning, Neil and Callum. Morning. Morning to Flynn as well. Good morning to you. Mr. Bates, we went on holiday for a week. Where did you go, Oliver? That sounds awesome. Now, we were going to go on holiday, but we decided to get a dog instead. And then we found we had to stay inside all the time because a puppy can't go out. So we haven't been away this summer, which feels a bit weird. But actually, it's been quite nice just to kind of do stuff around the house. Obviously, I've been here with you guys every day, which has been beautiful. It's been really nice. It's been really lovely. It's been good for me. And, you know, we go away some other time. There's always time to go away. Eno and Kashana here. But they will be joining after a dancing workshop at 10:30. I hope you're not too tired, guys, because you'll be tuning in later on today. A dancing workshop, that sounds awesome. Oh, I think that's something that I need to do in the future. Maybe we could do shed dancing. Yeah, dancing in the shed. There's not really enough room for that, is there? No, not really. Good morning to Oliver. We went to Sutton on... Oh, sorry, Oliver. I went to Sutton on Sea. Well done. I like that. Sutton on Sea. I've heard that's very nice. Who else have we got on here? We've got Anya's here as well. Good morning to you. And good morning to... Now, I've got to get this right. Is it Evolette? I've probably said that wrong, haven't I? Yeah, Mr. Bates, as you know, not very good with names. Do let me know, though. If I ever get your name wrong, don't be afraid to tell me, because teachers make mistakes all the time. I make mistakes all the time. Just tell me. Send me a video. Tell me how to say your name properly. Yeah? Just tell me. I'm not worried. Just tell me. Don't bother me. Conrad's here, ready to learn. Fantastic, Conrad. I'm so glad you're joining us today. Right, we've got a packed day today. Obviously, we've got some spelling. I tell you what, we're going to go through it all now. You ready? You ready? I'm ready to learn. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's get started. Fantastic stuff. So, coming up in today's show, we have obviously got a little bit of spelling. We're going to be doing our super spellings. We've got 16 to learn. We touched on them yesterday. Let's see if we can remember how to spell them today. Morning, Kira. Kira's here. Fantastic. Kira's here. We've got some terrific times tables. This week we're looking at the 4 times tables, okay? We've done the 3s, we've done the 6s, we've done 2s, we've done 5s, we've done 10s. Now we're looking at the 4 times tables. Think about those patterns that we talked about yesterday. We're going to go over them again today just to get them in our brains. Mighty Maths. Mighty Maths. In Mighty Maths today we are going to be looking at some more number bonds. Those numbers that go together to make 10, to make a whole number. Part numbers, whole numbers. We're going to be going into a little bit more of that today. Good morning to Is it Kieran? Kieran's here. Good morning, Kieran. Good morning to you. Hello, Mr. Bates from Kieran. Hello, good morning. We're doing some exciting English as well. Bang after, we're going to be doing some past and present. What does that mean when we're writing in the past? Does that mean I have to get dressed up like a really, really old character and put a wig on and pretend I'm really old and write with a quill? I'm writing in the past. What does that mean? Writing in the past and present tense. We're going to find out a little bit more about that stuff later on. And of course, we've got some of our phonics too, our lovely little phonics. Now, big thank you to our partners, www.twinkle.co.uk. Do check them out, mums and dads. Really lovely stuff. Lots of stuff on going back to school. Lots of little top-up lessons on there, as well as some fantastic resources that you can download for free and off their website. Do have a look. It's beautiful. It's lovely, lovely, lovely. Ruby and Alice is here. Ruby and Alice are here. Have I got that right, Ellis? Or is it Elise? No, Elise. It is Ellis, right? Is it? Yeah, that's right. Good morning to you guys. I hope you're doing well. And a big thank you to Whiterose Maths, www.whiterosemaths.com. Again, all your maths resource needs, do have a look on their website. They are fantastic. They break it down. They make it nice and simple. Lots of lovely activities. They break down the year, what you should be learning, what stuff you can cover at home. Excellent, excellent, lovely, tasty, delicious maths. Yum, 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 yum. Right, let's get started. Of course, we're going to start today with a little bit of super spelling.
Super spelling.
Oh yeah, super spellings, oh yeah. Now, super spellings, nice and simple. Try your best to spell these words, okay? If you did them yesterday and you've got them in front of you, move them to one side because you don't want to be looking at them today. Try your best to spell them. Sound them out, write them down, and do your best, okay? Hayley, Ella, and Emily are here. Thank you, well done. I'm glad you made it. Fantastic, ladies, well done. Like I always say, it doesn't matter if you get them wrong, okay? It really doesn't matter. Mistakes are good. It's good to make mistakes. Why? Because you learn from them. They're the ones you then have to look at later on today and go, oh, of course, I forgot how to spell that one, but now I know how to do it, and I can do that right next time. So it's really good to make mistakes. So don't panic. Don't get worried. Okay. You ready then? Let's do these. We've got 16 to do today. I'm going to say them. You write them down. Then we're going to mark them afterwards. Okay. Try your best. Okay. Number one is put. Put. I like to put sausages in my ears. I don't. That would be crazy. What a waste of sausages. They get all waxy. First one, put. Okay. Next one, number two, is could. Could. Remember, mums and dads, all these videos will go up on YouTube later on today, so do have a little look back if you want to go over any of these spellings again. They're all up on there. Go over them as many times as you want, okay? Number two is could. Could I have a piece of pie, please, pie man? Summer's here. Good morning, Summer. Good morning, Summer. Number two is could. Okay, number three. House. House. Blimey, you've got a big ass. Don't know who that was popping around to your house. Tiny Tim by the sounds of it. Blimey, that's a big ass. Or a very young Russell Brand. House, that is. Number three is house. Okay. If you know how to spell house, you also know how to spell mouse. Just a little fact here. Number four is old. 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 Number four is old. Manu's here. Good morning, Manu. Hope you're doing well. Number four is old. Oh, that car is so old. Ooh. I quite like old cars, so that's a silly thing to say. Anyway, that's number four. Number five is too. Too. And this is as in it's too much. Oh, I've had too many sweeties. Oh, my belly hurts. I've had too much pie. I've got pie on the brain today. I just want a pie. It's always food, isn't it? I always come up with food sentences. 2. Oh, I've had too much chicken. Oh, chicken belly. Number 6. Number 6 is by. By. As in, I like to sit by the sea when I'm writing my poems to my cat. Bye. Okay? Not as in bye, see you later mum, bye. It's in bye. My coffee cup is by my side. Bye. Number 7 is day. Day. What a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, said the old lady in the vicarage. Oh, that's good. Day. Oh dear. Alright, number 8 is made. Made. I made a custard cream blondie. I did actually, I made that yesterday. Not yesterday, day before. It was like a custard cream brownie, but it was a blondie. I think it's white chocolate instead. Very good. Amber's here. Morning, Amber. Hey, you're never late for the Shed School, don't worry, because you can rewatch it any time. Catch up later, why not? So that's number 8, made. Okay, number 9 is time. Number 9, time. Remember, if you're not sure how to spell any of these words, sound them out. Think about our phonics sounds. I'm. What makes that I sound? Don't want to tell you too much, but it's a split diagram, isn't it? We know this one. Okay, number 10. I'm. Now, is that abbreviated word, isn't it? It's 2 words joined together. Got that little apostrophe in there. I'm having a good time. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm really sad today. Contrasting. That's number 10. I'm. 6 more to go. Excuse me, 6 more to go. Number 11 is if. If. If I fall in love. That's not the words. And I shouldn't sing, should I? Singing in the morning again. Just bad. Sounds bad, Mr. Bates. Stop singing, it sounds bad. If. Number 11. If you don't stop that, you'll fall into the water, said Daddy Duck. Again, number 12 is help. Help. I really need your help today. Help. Good thing to ask for. Help. A lot of people don't like asking for help. Ask for help. If you're stuck, ask for help. You know, the only way we can get better, ask for help. Use other people's knowledge to your advantage. Help. It's okay to ask for help. That's number 12. Number 13. Mrs. 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 Monkey came to stay. What? Mrs. Monkey? Don't think she did. Didn't know there was a Mrs. Monkey. Maybe there should be a Mrs. Monkey. Maybe I need to find a Mrs. Monkey. That would be good, wouldn't it? Mrs. Okay, that's number 13. 3 more, and we're done. 3 more. Next one, slightly longer. Number 14 is called. Called. I called my best friend. Hey, Mr. Monkey, what you up to? Fancy coming for a banana? Hello, Ava. Good morning, Ava. Hey, I called you yesterday, the word being called. Okay, that's 14. Number 15 is here. It is right here. Number 15, here.
It was here yesterday, I promise. I left the things here.
That's number 15. And your last one for today is number 16, off. Off. I had to turn the lights off. Oh! Wouldn't want to do that in here. There's too many spiders. Too many spiders having parties. Okay, so to recap on those spellings today. Serena's here. Good morning. Good morning, Serena. Serena? Yeah, that's the thing. I've got that right. We got 1 put, 2 could, 3 house, 4 old, 5 two, 6 buy, 7 day, 8 made, 9 time, 10 is I'm, 11 is if, 14 help, 13 misses, 14 called, 15 her, sorry, here, not her, here, that's my bad reading, and 16 is off. Well done! Oh yeah, we've done some super spellings, oh yeah. Right, let's have a little look and see how we got on then, shall we? You ready? Remember, give them a tick if you got them right. If you didn't get it right, doesn't matter, draw a line underneath it, write out the correct spelling. Just make sure you have a look at that spelling later on today, just to recap, to get that in your head, so that tomorrow you can get it right. Cool. Right, let's have a look. We have got put, could old uncles lead dogs, great one to remember. House, old, to, by, day, made, time to I'm, that lovely I, that split diagram. I'm, now that needs to be a capital, sorry, that's my mistake. I on its own like that needs a capital. But it needs apostrophe M. Apostrophe meaning there's an A missing. So it's an abbreviation of I am, isn't it? I am strong. Or you can say it slightly more casually, I'm strong. Okay? If, help me, Mrs. Proper noun needs a capital. In someone's name, Mrs. Called, and here, and the last one being off. Brilliant stuff, everybody. How did we get on today? Did we get 16 out of 16? Let me know in the comments box. Do let me know how many you got. Fantastic stuff. And give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Brilliant stuff, guys. Well done. Hey, really getting those spellings super sauce. Awesome, well done. Marshmallow claps all around. You guys are killing it today. You're killing it. Oh, what's happened? Oh, they're killing it. They're totally killing it. Awesome. Well done. 16 out of 16, 16 out of 16. Lovely. This is brilliant. I love this. Right, now, let's move on quickly to our next subject today. We are obviously going to do a little bit of...
Terrific times tables.
Times tables. It's times table time. It's times table time. I love times tables. But this week we're looking at a tricky one. We're looking at the 4 times table. 4 times tables. God, it's quite hard, isn't it? 4 times table. Can you remember those patterns that we spoke about yesterday? If not, don't worry. We're going to go over them anyway. But first of all, let's try and count up in groups of 4, okay? Let's try together. I need to really think about this, counting in 4. I'm not expecting you to get this right at home because it's only Tuesday, remember? We do this all week, don't we? So let's count up in 4s. Okay, ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Pause there. Woo! That was okay. That's quite a guy, isn't it? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We're halfway. Okay. Remember that pattern, copy it again. Let's go again. Let's keep going. So we've done 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Brilliant! Hey, I found that a bit easier than I did yesterday. How did you find that at home? Hey, I tell you what, we're going to have a little go at counting backwards and see how we get on, okay? You look different with no hat. I know. I look so different with no hat. But I always wear a hat. Always. Even in the bath, I wear a hat. I don't. Sometimes. Okay, let's count backwards from 40 to 0. Okay, counting back in groups of 4. This is hard. Okay, ready? 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20. Oh, still with me? Okay, let's keep going. 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0. Oh yeah! Give yourself a big marshmallow clap if you managed that today. Well done. Awesome stuff, guys. Well done, well done, well done. Tricky that, really hard. But let's have a look at the 4 times table and let's recap on what we learned yesterday. So, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 4 is 28, 8 times 4 is 32, 9 times 4 is 36, and 10 times 4 is 40. Now, 11 times 4 are the other ones we need to learn as well. I don't tend to touch them straight away just because they will come, but they're 11s and 12s. I hold on for a minute. Just hold on for a minute. You don't need to learn them straight away. But it's good to get in there. 11 times 4 is 44. Easy when you do 11 times table because it's just the number, the units times 44. You get it 11, 11. Anyway, and 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, right. What do we notice? This is the most important thing. What do you notice when you look at the times tables? What patterns can you see? That's what we need to get into our heads. It's spotting those patterns. The easier you can spot those patterns, the easier connections you're going to make between the number and the answer, okay? That's what maths is all about, is spotting patterns. Well, it is for me anyway. Somebody else might say, no, it's not. It's about doing sums. But for me, it's about spotting patterns. That's the way that I work them out, and I'm pretty sure that's the way that you guys is going to help you at home. So, let's have a little look. So, facts that we know about the 4 times table. Well, we know that all the answers are even. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. They're all even numbers because we're timesing by 4. 4 is an even number. What else do we know? Well, we know that a multiplication, all it really is adding the same number again and again. Okay, so 2 times 4 is just adding 4 and 4 together. There's 2 groups of 4, we're adding it together. 6 times 4, all we're doing is adding 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. 6 times, basically, okay? That's all a multiplication is. We know that, adding the 4 to the previous answer. Answers end in the following. So the answers on the 4 times table all have the same thing. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. 4, 8, a 2, a 6, and a 0. That is in the units column. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. If in the 4 times table, the answers are always going to have 4, an 8, a 2, a 6, or a 0 in the units column. Okay, in the units column, which means in that lovely unit column. Okay, not in the tens column because that's going to change. It's going to go up. We're going up in tens. It's going to be a lot bigger. But in that units column, we either have a 4, 8, 2, 6, or a 0 place. Okay, really, really good one to remember that because that will help you when it comes to working out, especially those higher numbers. What else do we know? Well, we know our 2 times table, and our 4 times table is just double that, isn't it? It's just double the answer. 4, let's have a think. So, I know. 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Let me have a think. 2 times 5. Well, that is going to be 10, isn't it? 10, isn't it? 10. Yeah. If I then did what 4 times 5 is, what do you think the answer is going to be? 4 times 5. If I know that 2 times 5 is 10, if I double it, 4 times 5 is 20. Yeah? 8 times 5. Bit harder that one. What's that one going to be? 8 times 5. If you know what 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20, 8 times 5, double it again. Hey, you're making connections. You now know what the 8 times table is. You also know what that one is because we know our 5 times table. Okay? So it's not as hard as you think it was. Hey, you clever little ones. You are on fire. Right, okay, you good? Let's give this a go then. On your whiteboard, on your piece of paper, I would love you to give these a go on your own. If you need some help from mums and dads, ask them for help. I'm sure they can help you. Think about counting in groups. If you need to, draw it out as well, okay? If you really are having trouble, you can draw it out, okay? Draw out the counters. It takes a while, but if you're really having trouble, draw them out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, these videos will be up on YouTube later on today. You can go back over at your own pace and take a little longer on these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's 6. Count them all up. How many have you got? Okay, you ready? 6 times 4 then. Off you go. Write that down on your piece of paper on your whiteboard. All good? You got it? I'll give you a second. Okay. Really important that we can start to spot these patterns in number. Okay, next one. 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 4, and another 4, and another 4, and another 4. Or, if you know what your 5 times table, 5 times 4, then take away one group of 4. Okay, I find sometimes that's easier than trying to work out what's in between. Not quite as quick than just knowing it, but it helps. Anything that helps you get the answer is brilliant. Okay. Okay, 4 times 4, next one. 1 times 4.
Mr. Bates, what's my 1 times table? We haven't learned that one yet.
I can't help you on that one. Because I don't know my 1 times table. Boop, said Pinocchio. Everyone should know that one. 1 times 4. Well, that's easy peasy. Next one. 10 times 4. Well, that's probably equally as easy, that one, isn't it? 10 times 4. 10 times 4. Remember that trick that I told you with the 10 times table? What we can do with that 0. The 0 from the 10. How we can move that to the unit that we're timesing it by. Oh yeah. Can you remember that one? Move that 0 over. It gives us that answer. If we do a dividing, you then take that 0 away. Oh yeah. Oh good. Yeah. Next one. 8 times 4. 8 times by 4. I got 8. I need to times it by 4. Hey, man, can you times it by 4? Oh my God. I got 8 things and I need to times them by 4. That's a lot. It is, but you know your 10 times table, so you know what 10 times 4 is. Take away one group of 4, take away another group of 4. Bingo, bango, you are the winner, yo. Next one. 7 times 4.
7 times 4.
Now, if you know what your 8 times table is, if you just did your 8 times 4. Oh no, Serena says I've just smashed a glass by accident. Serena, what are you smashing glasses for? It's only the 4 times table. You crazy head. Oh no. I hope you're okay. Quick, get Mum. Mum! Quick, help clean him up. There's glass on the floor. Don't move. And don't touch it, please. Accidents do happen. Accidents happen. 7 times 4. Next one.
5 times 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go.
I used to love that program. When I was a wee boy. When I was a nipper. When I was a nipper, sir. Okay, 5 times 4. Sorry, I don't know what's going on today. 5 times 4. Okay. 5 times table. Yeah. If not, these 4s are going in as well. Think about those patterns that we know about the 4 times table. Does the units have a 2, 8, 4, a 0, or a 6 in? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Hey, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Evens. Yeah. 9 times 4. 9 times 4. 9 times 4, again, it's a big number, but if you know what 10 times 4 is, you're going to know what the 9 times 4 is, y'all. Hey, y'all, do you know what the 9 is? I know my 10. Okay, and 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Excuse me, I'd like to buy 3 of those lovely bananas. Oh, no, that doesn't work. I'd like to buy a packet of those bananas that come in groups of 4, please. How many packets would you like, sir? I'd like 3. Thundercats! Oh, I love Thundercats. What was the cat's name? Can't remember now. Or something. That's how he talked. If you've never watched it, you'll love it. It's brilliant. And that's your lot for today. That's your lot. 6 times 4, 4 times 4, 1 times 4, 10 times 4, 8 times 4, 7 times 4, 5 times 4, 2 times 4, 9 times 4, and 3 times by 4. Well done, guys. Right, you ready to mark them? I think you are. Remember, getting a different colour pencil if you've got one. Give it a tick if you got it right, okay? Be honest. Give it a tick if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. All that matters is you write down the correct one. You write down the correct answer that you'll see on the board in a minute. And that you look over that one later on today. That's the most important bit. The ones you got wrong, you must look over again, okay? If you just write it down again and then never look at it, how are you meant to learn it? How's your brain going to take it in? You have to look over it again, okay? No different if you make any mistake. If you make a mistake doing something, then you need to just have a little recap or going back over it. Just so you're telling your brain, you're telling your muscle that what you thought it was before, which you got wrong, it isn't. And you've corrected it. Okay, and it's really important that you do that in your head. Just to have a look over something. It's really, really important. Right, anyway, let's look over the answers. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 3, sorry, 10 times 4 is 40. 8 times 4 is 32. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 times 4 is 36. And 4 times 3, or 3 times 4, sorry, is 12. Very good job. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap, everybody. Oh, yeah. Awesome sauce. Well done, guys. Well done. You're smashing this today. Absolutely smashing it. Brilliant. Right, let's keep going. We have got a little bit more learning to do. We are next going to do a little bit of Mighty Maths. Mighty Maths. Mighty Maths.
Mighty Maths.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, Mighty Maths. Well done, all these people saying 10 out of 10. Brilliant stuff. Have a sip of your little drink if you got one. Oh, yeah. I think this water's been in here all week. That doesn't taste very nice. Whoopsie, never mind. Right. So today and this week in Mighty Maths, we've been looking at number bonds. Number bonds. Now, number bonds is introduced to you guys in year 1. When you first start in year 1, you'll be doing number bonds. Normally, your number bonds for 10. And that's kind of what we're going to be looking at today. But going a little bit deeper into the number bonds and how we can use that to help us move forward with our number. So, we're of course looking at those delicious number bonds. Number bonds. Now, what are number bonds to 10? Well, we know that they are the numbers that go together to make 10, don't they? Two numbers that when added together equal the value of 10. They're two parts numbers that go together to make a whole number. A whole number meaning a round number. That 10 is a whole number. 20 is a whole number. 30, whole number. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. They are all whole numbers. They've got 0 units in them. They are just made up of tens. They're a whole number. Okay? And what we're doing is, when we look at number bonds, we're adding two smaller numbers, two units together to make a whole number. So it's really important that we know our number bonds like the back of our hand. Oh, I can see the back of my hand and I know it really well. So, 1 add 9 is 10. 2 times 8 is 10. 3 times 7 is 10. 4 times 6 is 10. 5 times 5 add 5. What was I saying? Times. Sorry if I said times. 5 add 5 equals 10. These numbers go together. They are kind of like peanut butter and jelly, man. They are like a bucket and spade. They're like fish and chips. They go together. 8 and 2 love each other very much. I'm a big fat 2 and I've got a belt on. Oh no, that's an 8. I'm an 8 with a big belt on. Oh, and I'm a 2 because I look like a duck. We love each other. Oh, hey, I'm number 1. Oh yeah, and I'm number 9. I've got a big head. Hey, and I'm really skinny. Let's go together. That's how they work. So 1 and 9, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Those little two pairs, they go together. Okay, they are lovely friends. They are really good for us in maths. Okay, if we can see an 8, you should instantly think, hey, a 2 goes with an 8 really well to make that round number, to round up to the nearest 10. Okay, so let's have a little think about these then. So we're thinking about whole part numbers, we're thinking about units and tens. Okay, actually not units, tens, sorry, we're thinking about part whole numbers. So 10, what two numbers go together to make 10? We've got one bit of it, we've got a 6. What? Oh no, we haven't, we've got 4. I've just given you the answer. Oh, Mr. Bates. So this is how ingrained it is in my head. If I see 4, I instantly think of 6. So 6 and 4 make 10, don't they? Yeah? Perfect. Let's try another one. I'm not going to say much this time, okay? So, we're thinking about 100 this time. Okay, 100. We've got 40. What number goes with 40 to make 100? It's the same principle of what we had when we were making tens. Okay, when we do our number bonds to 10, it's the exact same principle. What goes with 40 to make 100? Okay, what number goes with 40 to make 100? We can take it back if we know that. Let's just take it back to this one. Bum, bum, bum. There we go. If we take it back to this one, we know that 6 and 4 go together to make 10. 6 and 4, they're best friends, aren't they? 6 and 4, they're good friends. They love each other. They go together to make 10. What number do you think we're going to need to add to 40 to get to 100? Hey, of course, we're going to need 60, aren't we? Look at that, of course. Hey, spotting those patterns again. 100, 40, 60. Hey, oops, so Daisy, let me just move that over a little bit. Oops, move. There we go. Hey, so look, let me just highlight this to you. I just want to show you this, okay? Right. So we knew, if I get rid of these zeros here, that 6, that 10 is made up of 4 and 6. Hey, all I've added is some numbers and some extra digits on there. And to make it a tens number, 100, 40, 60. Brilliant. Let's have a look at this next one. Okay, so using your number bond knowledge that we've got now, when we add together those two unit numbers, those two part numbers to make a whole, have a little think about this one. Okay, we need to make 50. We've got 45 as a part of a number. What's the other number going to be to make 50? What's the other number going to be to make 50? What I'm really saying there is, what number do I need to add to 45 to get 50? Now remember, use your number bond knowledge. Okay? Use that number bond knowledge. What number you're going to need to add, okay? Because look, all you need to do is look at that units column of the 45 to find out, hey, hang on a minute, 45. Well, I know that 5 has a best friend that makes it a nice round whole number. What do you think it's going to be? Okay? It's about seeing those connections. It's about working it through. Well done, Arthur. Brilliant. Absolutely. I see lots of people getting this now. Super, super job. Absolutely. It's going to be 5, isn't it? But I didn't need to go, okay, well, 45, let me see, 45, I don't really know what to do here. I'm going to have to work out 45, 40, 50, 60. I didn't have to do that. Because actually, all I've done is I know that 5 and 5 make 10. I use my number bond knowledge to know that. To go, well, what goes with 5, what goes with 10? What goes with 5? Well, 5 goes with 5 to make 10. That means that I'd have 40 and 10. Add those together, which would give me the 50. Okay, brilliant stuff. Well done, everybody. How about this one? How about this one? I need to make 30. I've got part of my number. I've got 21. What do I need to add to 21 to get 30? Okay, I need to add them together. But use that number bond knowledge. What number do you think you could pull upon there to work this one out? Would I say 8? Because there's a 2 there. I could say 8, couldn't I? Or would I say 9 because there's a 1 there? What do you think? What do you think? Well, I'm going to be looking at my units column, aren't I? Units column of that 21. That's the number I'm going to be looking at. So I'm looking at the number 1. I'm not going to look at number 2 or the 20 because that's in the tens column. So I'm going to look at that 1 in the units column, and then go, right, what goes with 1 to make 10? To make that lovely round number? Well, 1 and 9. 1 and 9 go together to make 10, and then I'm going to add them together to see if it works. So I'm going to add 1 and 9 together to make 10, and then I'm going to add the 10 and the remaining 20, that tens column from the 21, that 20, to give me the answer of 30. All right, brilliant. Right. You ready? Here's your little task for today then. On your piece of paper, on your whiteboard. Use your number bond knowledge to complete these calculations, okay? I'm going to give you 5 calculations, all right? 5 calculations, 2 minutes. Give them a go, all right? I have given you a lot of the answers for these, so all you're working out is the missing number, okay? Here you go. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to work out these answers. Write them on your piece of paper, on your whiteboard. Use that number bond knowledge that you've got in there. You know your number bonds. 2 and 8, 1 and 9, 5 and 5, 7 and 3. If you haven't got that yet, don't worry. Just go back over those numbers. What are those best friends? Have a think. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Are you ready? Off you go, guys. Awesome stuff, everybody. Fantastic job. How did you get on? Did you get it? Brilliant stuff. You guys are awesome. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. I'm just singing now. Fantastic. Awesome. Well done. Well done. Well done, everybody. Let's have a little look. Let's go through these quickly and we can work these out. What is going on with my whiteboard? Thank you very much. Go away. Goodbye. 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 Right, how do we get on? Did we find that all right? I'm pretty sure you guys are on fire today. I think you're pretty much smashing it. So 32 add something gives us 40. Well, think about our number bonds. What we're going to add to 32 to get to 40. We are going to add 8, aren't we? We're going to add 8 to that one because 2 and 8 make the 10. Add 30 to the 10. 30, 40. Brilliant. Next one, number 2. Number 1, number 2. Number 2, 29 add something equals 30. Again, all we're doing is going up, aren't we? We're looking at those number bonds, how they go together. 9 and what make 10? Well, it's 9 and 1. So 9 and 1, so 1 would make 10, and then the 20 and the 10 is 30. Next one, oh, that's quite tricky, isn't it? 3, something add... Oh, that's really hard. Oh, right. What have we got for that one then, guys? Hey, I tell you what, it's not as hard as you think it's going to be, because actually you know what number goes with 6 to make 10. It's 4, isn't it? So it's going to be something 4. That would give us 10. And then how many more do we need to get to 60? Well, we'd need 54, wouldn't we? We'd need 54. 54. Brilliant stuff, you got that right, well done. That's quite a tricky one. Number 4, 13 add something makes 20. Well, 13, again, you could count on, couldn't you? But think about our number bonds. 3 and what make 10? 3 and 7 make 10. Gives us 20. And our last one there, 78 plus 2 equals what? That's a really easy one because you've got to work out the answer for that one, haven't you? Add 2, 78, 79, 80. 80. Brilliant. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap, everybody. Awesome. Well done, well done, well done. I hope you got all those right. Well done. Like I said, it's about using the knowledge that we've got. Number bonds, the more we go over those, the better we become at manipulating number, better we become at problem solving. It's knowing those little facts, those little key bits of information. 6 and 4 go together. Bang. 7 and 3 go together. Bang. We know it. It will really help you become quicker mathematicians. Well done. Right, now let's do a little bit of exciting English.
English!
I love English. I do love that English. I love English. I love the English. I love the English. The English. The English. The English. 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 The English. The English. The English. I can't do that right now. I'm trying to multitask, but I can't do it. Right. Exciting English. So in English this week we are looking at the following. We're looking at past and present. Okay. I said this week actually, but we're doing different topics every day. We're looking at past and present in our writing. Okay. So we are going to just go over what it means to have past and present in our writing, and also have future tense. Because when we're writing, we don't always write about the here and now. We're not always saying, I did this and I did that and we had a good time. It was really, it was good, la la la. We also talk about what happened in the past. When we write in a diary, we talk about what happened over the weekend. Over the weekend, I went on here and I had a great time. I enjoyed a ice cream. We also might talk about the future tense. We might talk about stuff that's going on in the future. Next week, I will be going to the zoo. I hope we have a great time. So there's lots of things we use in our writing that's slightly different when we're talking in regards to different tense. Past, present, future. Okay. Is this sentence written in the past, present, or future tense? Okay. Let me read it to you and let's have a think, okay? We've got quite a few of these to do. It's just like a bit of a warm-up, really, but it's really good to just go over to kind of get it in our heads of what type of sentences are used. Excuse me, are they in the past, present, future? We will be waiting for you. We will be waiting for you. Is that in the past? We will be waiting for you. Is that something that's happened in the past? We will be waiting for you in the present, or we will be waiting for you in the future. Now there's one word in that sentence that defines where that's happening. We will be waiting for you. It's not the past. It's not happening in the past. We will be waiting for you in the past. No way. It's not the present. We will be waiting for you. It is the future tense. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you for why. We will. We will. The verb, the word of will is saying that it's something happening in the future. It's not happening now. Otherwise it would be saying we are, present, auxiliary verb. We are waiting for you. But it's not saying that now. It's saying in the future. We will be waiting for you. We're going to in the future. In the past, it would be we did wait for you. Or we did wait for you. Okay? Well done if you got that at home. It's normally one word that we have to change. In this one it was will. Okay? Let's have a look at the next one and see which of you can guess which one it's going to be at home. Our teacher will be coming up with us on the trip. Our teacher will be coming up with us on the trip. What do you think at home? Is that a sentence that's in the past, in the present, or in the future? Our teacher will be coming up with us on the trip. Okay? What do we think? Okay. Well, it's not going to be the past, is it? It's not saying something happened in the past. Otherwise it'd be saying our teacher did come up with us on a trip. Is it in the present? It's not the present. Although it said our teacher is coming up with us. It's the future tense again. Well done if you got that right at home. Because it's got that will. We will be doing that in the future. Again, really important that we can spot that and use that in our writing. We will be doing that. Our teacher will be coming with us in the future. It's predicting what's going to happen, okay? Okay, they were walking towards me. Ooh. Have a think about this one. Slightly different, this one. They were walking towards me. Is that in the past, the present, or the future? They were walking towards me. They were walking towards me. They were walking towards me. Think about that word of were. That lovely verb. Okay, what do you have at home? Of course, sorry, I had to think then. Of course, yes, it's past tense, isn't it? I got confused. I thought it was present, but it's not, is it? They were walking towards me. It's not they are walking towards me. Oh, Mr. Bates. Oh, see, I make mistakes too. It's in the past, isn't it? They were walking towards me. It could have happened yesterday. They were walking towards me. Of course, if it was present, they would be saying, I am walking towards you. Or they walked towards me. Okay? Got to be really tricky, really careful with these ones. Hey, I'll tell you what, let's do the next one together. Okay, Florence was shaking with rage. Florence was shaking with rage. Ooh, is that past, present, or future? Florence was shaking with rage. Now, I'm going to keep my guess to myself on this one, just in case Mr. Bates gets it wrong again. It's embarrassing. Florence was shaking with rage. What do you think at home? Remember, it doesn't matter if we get it wrong. It's what we learn from it. I'm learning all the time. Florence was shaking with rage. Should we find out? It's the past tense, wasn't it? I thought it was the past tense. And I tell you why I thought it was the past tense. Because it's using the word was. It was. It happened. It's already gone. If not, it would say Florence is shaking with rage. Okay? Well done for those people who are getting past at home. Really good. Spotting those words that give us the indication of where this sentence is. Is it in the past, present, or future tense? Well done. Not the past tense, it's not the present tense, and it's not the future tense. How about this one? Teresa is snorkeling... Sorry. Sorry, not snorkeling. That is my dyslexic brain reading words wrong. Teresa is snoring loudly in her bed. She's not snorkeling loudly in her bed. Teresa is snoring loudly in her bed, okay? What tense is that sentence? Is it in the past, the present, or the future? Okay, there is one word in that sentence that tells us where that is. Is it happening now? Is it happening in the past? Is it happening in the future? Okay. Teresa is snorkeling loudly in her bed. Well, it's not going to be the past, because otherwise it would be was, wasn't it? Teresa was snoring loudly in her bed. It's going to be the present tense. Well done, the present tense. Yeah, absolutely. Because it's got is in there. Is, am, auxiliary verbs, the ownership, the possessive verb that is, making it in the present, is. Future tense, it's not predicting, it's not saying that something's going to happen. Otherwise it would say, Teresa will snore loudly in her bed. Okay? Oh, nearly knocked my table over. Okay, a few more. The choir will be singing at the concert next week. There's a big fat clue in there. The choir will be singing at the concert next week. Past tense, present tense, or future tense? What do you think at home? There's a huge clue in there. Is it in the past, present, or future? The choir will be singing in the concert next week. Well, it's telling us it's next week. Next week is in the future. It's in the future. We're not there yet. We've got time till it comes next week. And it also has that lovely word, will. Will, meaning it's prediction. It will happen. That, well, actually, it's not prediction. Will is saying it's a certainty. It will happen in the future. It will happen in the future. It's future tense. So it's not the past, it's not the present, it's the future. Well done, everybody. You're smashing these. Awesome stuff. Well done. Few more then, few more. Who is making that silly noise? Who is making that silly noise? Mr. Bates, probably. Who is making that silly noise? Who is making that silly noise? Who might it be? Is that past, present, or future tense? Where are they talking? Are they talking about it in the past? Who is making that silly noise? Are they talking about it in the present? Are they talking about in the future? And remember, there's that one word in that sentence that will place it. It's a small word. It's not the past. It's the present, isn't it? It's got that is in it. Is. Auxiliary verb is. It is in the moment. It's possessive. It's now. It's happening. Okay? Who is making that silly noise? Well done. It is certainly not the future. Not the future. How many more have we got? I can't remember. I didn't know. These are brilliant. I love these. We got 3 more. Should we do them? Yeah, let's do them. 3 more. Come on then. 3 more. It's 11 o'clock, but let's do it. 3 more. You are eating my dessert. You are eating my dessert, you at home. Yeah, you're eating my dessert. Now, is that in the past, present, future? In the future, I could eat your dessert. But would that work for this sentence? You are eating my dessert. Absolutely, guys. Well done. Yeah, it's not going to be the past. It's got to be the present, hasn't it? It's got to be the present. Because you are auxiliary verb. It's now. It's happening. It's possessive. It's there. You are. I am. I is. We don't say I is. I say I am. But it is happening. I am present. It is there. It is now. Of course, it's not the future. But hey, you never know. I could eat your dessert in the future. Yeah. Especially if it's a lovely cake. I love a cake. Dad will be collecting me from karate club. Okay, have a think. Past, present, future. Dad will be collecting me from karate club. Okay, what do you think? Dad will be collecting me. Okay, is that in the past, in the present, in the future? You guys have got this. I know you've got this now. Of course, it's the future tense because it's got the will in there. He is going to, it's a certainty. Dad will be collecting you from karate club. It's going to happen, okay? If it was in the past tense, it would be saying, Dad did collect me from karate club, or Dad has collected me from karate club. If it is in the present, Dad is collecting me from karate club. That's now. Okay? Very good. Well done, guys. Last one, then last one. The leaves were blowing around in the wind. The leaves were blowing around in the wind. Oh, what stinky wind. The leaves were blowing around in the wind. Oh, look at those leaves flying. Oh, what wind. Past, present, future. What do you think? The leaves were blowing around in the wind. Again, there is one word in that sentence that makes it, that places it as the tense. Is it in the past, present, future? It is, of course, in the past. The leaves were, meaning they were, it happened before, they were blowing in the wind. Okay, well done, well done, well done. Certainly not the present, although they'll be saying the leaves are blowing around the wind, are being that possessive verb. Possessive, am I saying that right? Yeah. And the future tense would be the leaves will be blowing around in the wind. Okay. Excellent. Right, now it's your turn. I would like you to create two sentences. One in the present tense and one in the past tense. Okay. They can be the same sentence. They can be totally different sentences. I don't mind. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to create two sentences. One in the past and one in the present. Okay. Remember, auxiliary verbs, okay? These are the important bits that define where the tense of a sentence comes from. Progressive, I am, I is, I are, not I are, but are doing that. Passive, in the past tense, was, were, have. I always get those two mixed up. Okay? Progressive, passive, auxiliary verbs. I am doing something. It's now. I was doing something, or I did do something. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Create two sentences for me. Remember, I would love you to share them with me. Do put them in the comments box, or if you're watching on YouTube, you can drop them in an email. info@theshedschool.co.uk. I'd love to know what you've been getting up to and what the work you've created. Do remember, click that subscribe button and click that like button if you're enjoying this video. Do tell your friends, do tell your family. You ready? 2 minutes on the clock. You guys are smashing this today. Well done. Right, you ready? Off you go. Oh yeah. Fantastic stuff. Well done, everybody. Brilliant stuff today, guys. Well done. That past, present, future tense, it's tricky, all right? It is hard. But hey, once you break it down, you can understand which verbs are changing, then actually it makes it quite easy to go, well, I can put this in the past tense. And also, when it comes to your writing, it can really help you break down where you need to change those little verbs, those little tiny verbies, where you might have made a mistake and go, oh, actually, I've put I was at the beach when actually I meant to put I am at the beach, okay? So, really important that you can be able to see those. Right, let's see some of your examples then. Let me just have a quick read out of some of these ones. Awesome stuff, lovely. My sandwich is disgusting and I have had a good sleep. So, super. My sandwich is disgusting. Is it in the present tense, isn't it? It is, using that auxiliary verb is. Lovely. And I have had a good I have had a good sleep. Brilliant. It's talking about something in the past, isn't it? It's talking about that sleep that you had before. You're not sleeping now. Maybe you are, but you know you're not. Of course not. You're doing work. But they're lovely example. Well done. Lovely past and present. Super. Mr. went in the bath. Okay, Mr. Bates went in the bath. Yeah, I did with my hat on. And is dancing with the shed school cap on, rapping. Oh, lovely. Okay, so Mr. Bates went in the bath. So that's in the past tense. Is dancing with the shed school cap on. Is dancing with a shed school cap on rapping. Very good, Chloe. I really like that one. Super. You've definitely got a past tense in there. Mr. Bates went in the bath. That would have been in the past tense. Went in the bath. Yes, that's right, isn't it? Went in the bath. Otherwise, it'd be Mr. Bates is in the bath and is dancing. So you could then say as your second sentence, is dancing. So Mr. Bates is dancing with a shed school cap on. Yeah, that works. That's brilliant. Yeah, lovely. Super. I was at school. Zarina, that's lovely. Yeah, absolutely. Past tense, I was at school. Future tense, I'm going to school. Yeah, it's going to happen. I was at the beach, Chloe. Yeah, I love that. We are going on a train now. We are going on a train now. Brilliant. We are. That auxiliary verb are now. It's a progressive. It means you're doing it now. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Oh yeah. Brilliant stuff. Well done. Right, let's do a little bit of phonics now, just to finish off the lesson. I'm aware we didn't do any yesterday, so I feel we should do some today. Phonics. Brilliant. Well done. Phonics. And today's sound is going to be this lovely little sound. I think you've probably seen it before. Is Can you say that? Can you say it? Nice and loud. Okay, right. I love okay, it's one of those ones where people, it's a sound, but it's also like a people are like Okay, I'm going to give you some words to sound out. I'm going to sound them out on my hand first, and then you guys can go afterwards, okay? So, first one. Ready? Listen to me first and then sound them out. Remember, please do stamp them on your fingers, blend them together, and really think about how many sounds and how many letters are in each word. You ready? First one. Fern. Your go. Brilliant job. Well done. I hope you were joining in at home. How many sounds can you hear in that first word? How many sounds can you hear? Yeah. Oh, how many? Of course, I can hear 3. Fern. There we go. Fern. Super job. Fern. Lovely. 3 sounds. How many letters? Well, it's 4, isn't it? Because our sound today is r, which makes that sound. Fern. Now, fern, if you're not sure, fern is a plant. Okay, next one. You ready? Next one. Hands up. Stamp them on. I'll go first, then you go. Next one. Herb. Your go. Fantastic. Well done. How many sounds can you hear? Good. How many letters? Excellent stuff. Awesome sauce. Well done, guys. Herb. Herb. Like the things that grow in your garden. Herb. Lovely, that lovely sound in the middle there. Herb. Herb. Okay, I'm going to give you two more. Two more. Yeah, I'm going to give you two more. You ready? Okay, next one. Okay, I'll go first and you go. Stern. Stern. Your go. How many sounds? How many sounds can you hear?
How many letters?
No. Very good. No. I don't know what happened to my n there. It looks like a h. But stern. Stern. To be stern. Ooh, I'm a bit cross from stern. All like the stern on a boat. It's the back of the boat. Is the stern. What gives the boat its position where it travels to. Stern. Lovely. That lovely sound in the middle, and then don't forget the at the end. Lovely. Last one today then, guys. Last one. You ready? One more. I'll sound it out, then you go. Okay, you ready? Last one. Perch. Perch. Your go. How many sounds?
How many letters?
How many have you got there? Let me write it out. Now, sneaky pro on that one, because there are two double sounds in there, aren't there? There's the p, which is the and the ch, like choo choo ch. Makes that lovely ch. Perch. What a parrot sits on. A lovely perch. Okay. Right, I'm going to get rid of those. Right, now it's your turn to write some of these on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper, okay? Remember, I'll say the word, you sound it out at home. It really will help you sounding it out loud. I promise it will help. Sound it out loud, sound out every single sound, write it down, we'll mark them afterwards, okay? Doesn't matter if you get them wrong. Same as always, it doesn't matter, okay? Please don't stress yourself out about getting them all right all the time. It really doesn't matter. I'd rather you think about the sounds. Okay, you ready? First one, on your whiteboard, on your piece of paper, I would like you to write the word herb. Herb. Off you go. Okay, that's number one. Herb. Herb. A lovely little herb in the garden. Just thyme. Yes, I've heard of this. Is it a herb? It is. A herb. Okay. Okay, that's the first one. Herb. Sound it out. Number two. Number two. You ready? Stern. Stern. The captain of the boat took hold of the stern. Sound it out. I can't say that enough. Sound it out. Every single sound. On your fingers. Da, 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 da. If you can do that already and you're confident, do it in your head. Okay, that's the next stage. Stamp it on your fingers. See the sounds. Blend the sounds. Once you're confident enough with that, then just do it in your head. Okay? But don't rush to that next stage, because that's where we make mistakes. It is absolutely fine to keep doing it on your fingers, okay? It's not a worry, alright? Until you're confident enough, it doesn't matter. Okay? That's stern. Next one then. Fern. Fern. Excuse me, fern. Fern as in the tree. Fern or fern cotton. Fern. Fern. Okay, and your last one, perch. Perch. Remember, sound it out. Really think about every single one of those sounds. Perch. What sounds can you hear when you say the word perch out loud slowly? Perch. Okay, brilliant job, guys. Honestly, we've worked super hard there, and we are nearly done an hour and a half, which is awesome. That's what happens. We get carried away. I just love it. It's just brilliant. You guys are smashing it. Okay, you ready? Let's have a little look then. How do you get on? Brilliant. There we go. Herb, stern, fern, and perch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Give them a tick if you got them right. If you got any wrong, just write it out next to it, okay? Today's sound was so I hope everybody got the r, and no one just put double or just a r. That's the sound for today. Brilliant, brilliant stuff, guys. Well done. All good? Give yourself a massive marshmallow clap. Brilliant stuff. Well done, everybody. Well done, everybody. You're the best in the whole wide world. Whole wide world. Yeah. Awesome. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Brilliant stuff. Right, that's all we've got time for today, guys. Well done. You've worked super duper looper chuper hooper hard. And we've done some super stuff. Hey, we're going to be back tomorrow, though. But before we go, we better say hello to our main man indeed. Before we go, we better say hello to Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey Buddy, how are you, mate? Yeah, good. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Oh, we forgot to put your shoes on, didn't we? Yeah, we'll do them later, shall we? Yeah, we'll put your shoes on later. When you have a dance class. You're going to a dance class? Oh, no. What dance are you doing? The tango. I didn't think you could dance. Can you show us some of your dancing now? Yeah, okay, go on then. Off you go. You finished? Brilliant. Oh, okay. Finished? Yeah, good. Brilliant. That was very good, Mr. Monkey. Wasn't that really good dancing, yeah? Really good dancing. Well done. What? Ow! Ow! Stop it! Ow! Ow! I was joking. I was joking. Ow! Ow! Stop it! Stop! Ow! Ow! Stop it! I was joking. It was lovely dancing. I'm joking. I'm joking. It was the best. You're the best. I said it. You're the best. Yeah, super. Right, boys and girls, that's all we've got time for today. Anything we need to tell the boys and girls? Of course, yeah, make sure you download Magic Spell by Brainbox Games. Pop onto the App Store, you better get it on there, and you can enter the Shed School League. All you need to do once you've downloaded the game onto your iPad or onto a mobile device, on the main screen there is a coin in the top hand corner. Hit it 20 times and you can enter the Shed School League. Oh yeah, the Shed School League. Should we have a quick look at the Shed School League? Let's move a little bit closer. Let's have a little look. It is under Shed, oops a daisy. Shed, oh no. Shed, there we go. Magic Spell Leaderboard. Magic Spell Leaderboard. Let's have a quick look at this then. See if this will work for us. I hope it does. Let's have a quick look at the Shed School Leaderboard. Oh, I can't see it on there. Oh, Mr. Bates. Let me do... Oh no. Hang on. I'm doing this. I know you might be bored, alright, but stop it. Because I'm doing this one-handed. There we go. Fantastic. So you can already see some people are on the leaderboard already. Fantastic. Superstar Summer, absolutely smashing it at the moment. Well done, Superstar Summer. Sophia's not far behind, and then other Sophia's not far behind that. We got Joe, we got Benji, we got Lily. There's me, Mr. Bates. I need to catch up a little bit. Ash, Douglas, Wiz the Giz, lovely. Callum, Ava, Cupcake, and Flint is on there as well. Fantastic. So, if you want to get onto the Shed School League, all you need to do, download the game, the magic spell from Brainbox Games. The link is on my Facebook. Get on there, download the game, hit that top coin 20 times, no, 10 times, and it will enter you into the Shed School League. You can double check your name is on the league by heading to shed.brainbox.games. Okay, if you're not sure, double check it. You got to check it on there and get playing, guys. We are going to have some fantastic competitions running later in the year, so I would get you practicing in now. Okay, get your practicing in now. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying anymore, Mr. Monkey. No, I'm not saying anymore. Get your practicing in now. Get that app on your tablet, on your device. Get used to how to play it, because we're going to have some wicked competitions later in the year. That's right, you heard it here first. I know it's going to be awesome, awesome sauce, awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. Wicked, right, let's go. Right, Mr. Monkey, we've got to go now, we've got to go. Boys and girls, lovely to see you all again. We will see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. We'll be back Wednesday. Another day in the shed. I can't wait either. But guys, have a wicked, wicked day, a wicked, wicked Wild Wild West day. Stay safe, stay creative. We'll see you at 10 tomorrow. Bye, everybody. See you later. Bye.